this affirmation that I'm about to share with you is going to be a complete game changer in helping you change your mindset to actually manifest the things that you want. So without further ado, let's get right into it. When it comes to affirmations, they can be so powerful in helping us to change the limiting beliefs and thoughts that we're having that's keeping us back from actually manifesting things that we want. When I was first going through my manifesting journey, I had so many limiting beliefs about my capabilities of tapping into my powers to be able to manifest. There was everything from, I'm not going to be able to do this isn't meant for me, I am always going to be destined to struggle and just never see things go the way that I want. And it wasn't until I incorporated this affirmation that I began to see everything start to shift. My mindset began to shift. I began to think of things in a more positive way, which allowed me to be connected to the universe and to see myself begin to actually manifest the things that I want in my life. And this powerful affirmation is, everything always works out for me. The universe supports me and always has my back. It is so simple sounding, but it is so powerful and completely shifting your mind when you are using this correctly. How you begin to incorporate this into your life is going to play a big factor in whether you believe this or not. For me, when I first was doing this, I had to take baby steps. I needed to allow myself to feel the way that I was feeling and write it down on a piece of paper, and then on the other side of it, I would write, everything always works out for me. The universe supports me and always has my back. When I began to add that in there, it honestly began to shift my mindset to seeing the different possibilities of how I can get through this, or changing the negative beliefs that I was having towards that manifestation that I was trying to bring into my life. It was so powerful that I began to see things completely shift. I was like, what is going on? Like, what is happening? And it wasn't until now that I was seeing what was happening. I was actively shifting my mindset and the vibration that I was operating from, or energy that I was operating from, and understanding that this thought process that I was having, this pattern of negativity, of limiting beliefs that I was having, was conjured by myself. Like, I was the one that was playing this record, and I had the choice to roll that record completely out and put the new one in. And that was this mantra that I had. It helped me to begin to see my reality for what it was, and that I can control how I feel, the emotions that I'm having, and by doing so, the reality around me is going to respond to that. It was a game changer in bringing so many of my wonderful and amazing manifestations into my life. It honestly amazes me to this day as to how something so simple like this completely began to change myself to seeing the things that I wanted, to become the version of me that I've always wanted to become. Am I perfect? No. Is it always something that I can revert to in an instant? No. It's an ongoing journey, and that's how it's always going to be. That's how this journey is always going to be, and that's okay. What's important though is that each day we try to remind ourselves of this mantra and remind ourselves of our amazing ability to be able to tap in and to have a co-creative relationship with the universe to help begin to change our lives and ourselves around what we want to see happen in our life. And by doing so, we ultimately are changing the lives of everyone else around us. It's a natural effect of you stepping into this and doing this. So incorporate this affirmation into your life and watch how things begin to change for yourself. And if you want to learn more ways on how to unlock your manifesting powers, check out these videos, which will help you do just that.